Did you know the eagle fails 95% of the time? A total failure. It's so big and cumbersome that when it comes upon its prey, they're wild. They shoot off in a different direction. And it misses. 5% of the time it succeeds. And what does succeed to do? It succeeded to be the strongest bird in the sky. The only one that we know of anywhere in the world that could fly into the thermals of a hurricane and ride them to have fun. Now the eagle, unlike the oyster, can go anywhere it wants. Anywhere it wants. Yeah, it gambles, it does this on its own, but it goes wherever it wants. Now that eagle, and not the oyster, is the emblem of America and also on the flag of many, many countries. You wouldn't be in this room right now if you weren't eagles. Don't only imagine, start doing it.
Listening to this, I can't help but think about charging higher prices in your chiropractic clinic. You know, many times chiropractors are afraid to raise their price because they're like, oh, I might lose some of my patients. The question is, do you really want the pain in the ass patients? The ones that are always texting you and calling? The ones that need to come in for adjustments like over and over and over again? These are the difficult people, the time-sucking people. Or do you want the high-ticket patients? The ones that pay you a large amount of money are your best customers. They only need to come in a couple times. They can do a lot of the care at home or with your staff. I gotta tell you, those are the patients that I would want. So if you're a chiropractor who wants to magnetically attract high-ticket patients into your practice, click the link in my bio, schedule a call with me, and I'm gonna show you how.